Good morning. How you guys doing today? Well, this is a day in my life. This is what I have to do every single morning just to get ready for the day. Now, I didn't want to show you washing dishes. I mean, who wants to come on YouTube and see somebody washing dishes for like 15 minutes? I can't do that to you guys. But all I'm doing right now is I am just drying them and putting them away. Now, I said in my last video that I don't use my dishwasher. We just don't have enough dishes. I mean, I might put dishes in my dishwasher for, 5 days in a row before I can honestly run it. So right now I am just drying them and putting them away. Now I have an idea. I think I'm going to do vlogs every Friday. If you think that is a good idea, put it down in the comments below and let me know. You'll see in a couple minutes that I don't put our dishes in the kitchen. I usually put them in the dining room. I did not want the kids to come into the kitchen so they could set the table. So let me know down below if that's a good idea, and we'll see you later. Hi, my life friends. Okay, so my daughter went shopping yesterday. Let me show you what she got. It is really, really, really nice. All right. So when I asked my daughter to go shopping, I asked her for fruits and vegetables for me. So salad, strawberries, cherries, yum. Blackberries, some tzatziki stuff right there. She actually got, of course, one of the things my daughter absolutely loves are Red Bulls. She got some of those. She got some biscuits, sour cream, whipping cream, which is really good. She got some juice and Parmesan cheese, which is really good. Move my stuff aside. All right, more cream cheese. She got feta. She makes this really, really, really good cucumber tomato feta salad, which is awesome. I love it. But she also got cherry tomatoes, sweet peppers, limes, little potatoes, which are really, really, really good. God, I love those. Broccoli, everything for me. So, really happy on what she got in the fridge. So, I will be cooking part of this really, really, really soon. So, you guys stay tuned and we will see what we can come up with all of these things. Hi guys. Okay, so yesterday my mom, we both went to the thrift store. I have to get clothes. I purged out a lot of my clothes about 6 months ago and I needed more. And I'm not going to pay full price for clothes. Usually I have to order my pants online. All of my work pants I had to order online. I'm 5'7", 103 pounds. I have really long legs and a really short torso, and it's really hard for me to find my size that's long enough for me. I mean, my torso is only till there. The rest of it, all legs. So it's really hard for me to find pants, but I think maybe we found 3 pairs of pants yesterday and 3 shirts that will work for me. Let me show you. All right. First, pair of jeans. It's really hard for me to find jeans in the first place, but these are my size and they're stretchy. And these are gonna fit in length and my waist. I have a little small waist, so good job, 1 pair. I have these other pair of jeans. These are darker and these are stretchy again, but they're really long and the waist is really small too. Hoping I don't have to wear a belt. I might have to. I generally do have to wear a belt with pants, but we'll just see about that. And then I got these white jeans. These are awesome. I love these. I think these were like $5 a piece, but me finding this small of a size, something that's actually gonna fit me, and they're long enough, is a good thing. Okay, I got this sweater. What I have to look for myself is a, you know, not a very big sweater, but I like V-necks. I don't really care. I mean, I love this sweatshirt. That's me in the morning, definitely. My kids won't even come and talk to me unless they know that I have finished my first cup of coffee. But this is me. But these necks aren't that great for me. And then I got this because it was cute. And it's small. It's a hoodie. Santa Cruz. Love Santa Cruz. Actually, I may have had this shirt at one time or something like this. We used to have jackets. We actually went to Santa Cruz and it was really cold, so we all had to go get jackets. And I think those were pink too. Isn't this cute? It's got the wrong neckline on it, but it's cute. And it has a little pocket. So adorable. And since my waist only, you know, goes to right there, it's fine. Cute, cute, cute. I'll try these on later for you guys, but just wanted to show you this really quickly. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I am wearing my new pants. I am wearing my new top. Little pocket. I'm not even sure what I'm going to put in the pocket, but oh my God, I am so happy. So don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and I'm going to put some other videos in the description box. So make sure you guys go and you check those out too. We'll see you later.